This week, Apple analyst Ming Kuo issued a note that says Apple has some big plans in store for its 2022 iPhone 14 series. For one, he predicts that Apple will offer two 6.1-inch iPhone 14 models and two 6.7-inch models. That's right, no more iPhone mini. What's more, the Pro model 6.7-inch iPhone 14 may cost less than $900. That's certainly less than the $1,100 iPhone 12 Pro. But he mentioned something else that will make all of us worried about the prospects of a phone that will be arriving sooner than 2022's iPhone 14, this year's iPhone 13 models. According to Kuo, the 2022 iPhone 14 lineup will feature under-screen Touch ID. That's great, but we had previously seen rumors that this feature could come to the iPhone 13 lineup this year. Here's what Kuo said about 2022 iPhone 14. We reiterate our previous key specifications forecast for 2022 iPhone models, namely that Apple will launch two high-end iPhones, one with 6.1-inch and the other with 6.7-inch display, and remaining two low-end iPhones will also get 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch in 2022. We believe the growth drivers for the new 2022 iPhones will come from the potential for under-display fingerprint support, which will use Apple's own technology, the lowest price ever for a large 6.7-inch iPhone, and we expect it to be under $900, a wide camera upgrade to 48 MP for high-end models. While the mask requirement has been lifted in most locations through the United States, ranging from bars and stores to restaurants, you're still required to wear face masks on public transit, on planes, and in airports. I anticipate getting back to traveling soon for business, and being forced to enter a passcode every time we want to unlock our phone is annoying. Yes, there's a workaround for unlocking your iPhone. You can unlock an iPhone without a face mask if you own an Apple Watch, but that's not feasible for a lot of people. Now, let's talk about timing. If Kuo's prediction is accurate, that we have to wait until 2022 for under-display Touch ID, that is lame. Samsung had an under-display fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S10 in 2019. Granted, that scanner was hit or miss, but it has steadily improved the technology, and now it works very well on phones like the Galaxy S21. I find it hard to believe that it would take Apple until 2022 to get Touch ID working the way it wants on an iPhone. In the meantime, I hope that the iPhone 13 at least has Touch ID embedded in the power button, similar to the iPad Air 4. It's less convenient than just tapping the screen, but it's better than entering a passcode each time you want to use my phone, and Face ID isn't an option. The iPhone 13 should have plenty of other upgrades going for it based on various reports, from a smaller notch and faster processor to enhanced camera and better 5G. And I'm really looking forward to 120Hz displays on the Pro models. But this is one iPhone rumor I very much don't want to come true. Let's see what we're getting in the upcoming beast. Till then, let's just wait for more rumors to arrive. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.